Hi there, this is Tapas Fleming, tatlife.com. If you've taken the ACEs test and you feel like, oh, my number is so huge, or even if it's not that huge, you just feel like, how am I ever going to get from here to there? Those awful things happened to me when I was a child, and how am I ever going to be not stuck feeling all of that forever? I have 3 tips for you. Number 1, whatever it is that you're feeling or thinking, no matter how big, how bad, add it into the TAT pot and do TAT about it. Number 2, just do some little bit at a time. This one trauma, maybe you had years and years of all kinds of bad things that happened. So you can just do one trauma, or you can do maybe the whole year when you were 2 years old. Just try different things, but the point is to do something and then maybe a few days later do another something. And then the third tip is keep going. Know that hundreds of thousands of people before you have walked this path with TAT and cleared up old, terrible childhood traumas for good. All done, all gone. It's possible for you too. It's possible for you to get there and for your health to reflect all of that clarity, peace, love, happiness, and for you to just continue to get healthier, happier, more connected with life, more loving toward yourself and compassionate toward other people. And done with those childhood traumas, those ACEs. I hope this encourages you and you go for it. Thank you for listening and see you next time.